In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back by tapping on this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on you need to click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, you can either swipe it to the right or hold it and choose delete. If you want to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Then go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!